all my life. Though some have changed, some forever, not for better, and some have gone, and some remain. All these places had their moments with lovers and friends I still can recall. Some are dead and some are living. In my life, I love them all. But of all these friends and lovers, there is no one compares with you. And these memories lose their meaning when I think of love as something new. Though I know I'll never ever lose affection for people and things that went before. I know I'll often stop and think about them. In my life, I love you more.
Another summer day has come and gone away from Paris or Rome, but I wanna go home. Maybe surrounded by a million people, I still feel all alone. Just wanna go home. Oh, I miss you, you know.
Hello pa, happy birthday sa'yo. Sorry kung alanganin yung mga grades ko, pero promise gagawin ko na yun sa next year. Salamat sa mga binigay mo sa akin, mga gifts, mga padala mo sa akin ng mga previous years. Tsaka ingat ka lagi dyan, dito lang kami lagi para sa'yo. I love you very much. Tsaka miss na kita pa. Ingat ka lagi dyan, happy birthday.
Hello pa, happy birthday. Ayun, wish you all the best. Thank you for everything. Thank you sa mga advice mo, sa lahat-lahat ng ginawa mo para sa akin. Ayun, sorry sa lahat ng pagkukulang ko, sa lahat ng maling ginawa ko. Ayun, babawi po ako talaga sa lahat ng pagkakamali. Ayun, I love you pa. Ingat ka po palagi dyan. Happy birthday. I love you.
And I've been keeping all the letters that I wrote to you, each one a line or two. I'm fine, baby, how are you? Well, I would send them, but I know that it's just not enough. My words were cold and flat, and you deserve more than that.
Hoy! Hi pa! Happy 50th birthday! 50 ka na! Golden birthday mo na, mukha ka ng gold! Gusto mo ng... Hindi ko alam kung ano ito, mukha ka lang Chichakor na lang! Chichakor, gusto mo? Hi pa! Happy birthday! Maraming salamat sa lahat. Kung nasan man kaming apat na magkakapatid ngayon, dahil yan sa inyo, sa lahat ng paghihirap nyo dyan, at sa lahat ng pagmamahal nyo sa amin, at sa mga advice, salamat din pa. Malaking tulong yun para sa amin. Happy birthday pa! I love you, I miss you. Ingat ka dyan lagi. Alagaan mo lagi yung sarili. Love you!
Bagus! Dahil din ako ka. Ay, yung mukha na akong kabayo. Uy! Pa! Basta! Dahil tinakbo ko hanggang bigan eh. Happy birthday! 50 ka na! Tanda mo na! Umuwi ka naman! Dito kami sa bigan eh. Tinakbo ko lang. Kapagod. Ito yung mga kabayo. Ngayon nga mukha ko na eh. Happy birthday pa! Miss ka na namin. Sana maging masaya sa birthday mo. Miss ka na ni Enzo. Gusto ka na makita. Pero, miss ka na namin. We love you so much. Gusto kong sabihin thank you for everything. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Lalo na kami na lalay. Si Kevin, si Ivan, si Enzo, si Jessica, si Mama. Thank you sa lahat. And, wish you all the best and all the happiness. And hope you had a good one. O siya, pabiyahe pa ako sa kabayo eh. Sige na, happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday pa. We wish you happiness, peace of mind, and good health para mag-guide niyo pa po kami ni Bo and masubaybayan niyo pa po yung paglaki ni Enzo at saka ni Baby Blake. Papa, we would like to thank you for all your support, your love, your thoughtfulness, and kindness. I always pray po na sana maging safe kayo dyan at saka sana one day ma-meet namin kayo para personally we could make you feel how grateful we are for having you as a mother po. We wish you all the best for your birthday today and all the years to come, Papa. We love you and we miss you. Say you love you, Papa. Love you. Love you. Bye-bye.
Another aeroplane, another sunny place. I'm lucky, I know, but I wanna go home. I got to go home. Let me go home. I've had my run, baby, I'm done. I gotta go home. Let me go home. It'll all be alright. I'll be home tonight. I'm coming back home.